how to download and install Kiwi browser. So if you want to download and install Kiwi browser, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store if you're using your Android, and if you are using an iOS device, you can go with your App Store. Now go with search. Under search, you need to search for Kiwi browser. After searching for Kiwi browser, you'll find the Kiwi browser application and you'll be able to install. You can just simply tap on the Kiwi browser application and you will have the install button. You can install it. But in some countries or in some regions, the Kiwi browser is not available. As you can see that here it says that the app has been pulled from the Play Store and will no longer be maintained after January. So unfortunately, we don't have the application on our Play Store or our App Store, but we can download it from the browser. So you can simply go with a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, or you can also go with your Google. And here you need to search for Kiwi browser download APK. Once you've searched with the APK, then here you will have a lot of websites that will give you the APK file to download. So you can just simply go with any option. I'll just simply go with the first one. And once you tap on the website, then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now here on the bottom, you will have get the latest version. You can tap on it, scroll down, and you will have the download option right here. So you just need to simply tap on download and it will start the downloading process. Once it's downloaded, you can go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then go with downloads. And under downloads, you will have your file. You can just simply tap on the file, and once you tap on the file, it will ask you if you really want to install the application. You can just simply go with proceed or install, and your application will be installed. So that's how you can install the Kiwi browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.